Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, and quite the rare beast, this one. 2016 on a 16 plate Volkswagen Jetta GT. This is the 1.4 TSI turbocharged petrol with the Blue Motion technology and a 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in Moonrock Silver metallic, and it's covered just 47,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk round of this very smart looking Jetta GT. Not something you see every day. In fact, advertising the car this morning, I think this is the only one in this sort of age bracket anywhere that I could find available at the moment. Really lovely looking car. June 2016 registered. Just ticked 47,000 miles. 2 owners from new. Really impressive service history. We've got 7 recorded right the way throughout its life. Nice 17-inch alloy wheels. It's a proper history. Obviously it's a Golf underneath. You've just got a really good boot space, which I'll come to in a bit. 1.4 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox, 150 brake horsepower. So it goes very well indeed. But having that Blue Motion technology means that, according to Volkswagen, you should be able to get over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. So economical, good looking, GT spec, so really nice level of trim, and I think the colour really does it justice. It's just a classy looking car. As we have a look inside, typical Volkswagen finish, very well screwed together. We've got these part leather and cloth seats, driver's bolsters in very good shape, leather headrests, leather centre armrest, remote central locking of course, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are all in really good condition. 4 electric windows, you've got a boot release down there, and you've also got electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. As we make our way in, it does have its original Jetta carpet foot mats, automatic lights, cut-off steering wheel is in good order. You've got controls for your trip computer, your Bluetooth. On the other side you've got your cruise control. There's your mileage, 47088. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off, USB, auxiliary inputs, and obviously your 12-volt socket, air conditioning just above. Before I get to the infotainment, you've got all your handbooks in the glove box there. And then up to your infotainment, so we'll start the car up. And across to your infotainment, so it does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is nice, so it means you can link your Google Maps etc. to it. Bluetooth for your telephone, as you can see. DAB digital radio. And if we go to the menu itself, there's your app connect. There we go, so it's all on there. Parking sensors front and rear. It's just a very nice place to be. Very hard to complain about Volkswagen interiors. Because it's a saloon, obviously you've got loads of space in the rear footwells, plenty of legroom. Does have a 12-volt socket on that rear console. Carpet mats again. The back of the car's in lovely order. 3 headrests with 3 seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats. Does also have a flip down centre armrest there with a couple of cup holders. Electric windows in the back as well. Now the sun's gone in for a second, you might get a bit more of an idea of the colour. and then into the boot space, which is enormous. You've got storage on both sides, and then look at that, big old boot space underneath, locking wheel nut key, all your bits and bobs, and the luxury of a get your home spare wheel as well. So there we have it, really well looked after 2016 on a 16 plate Jetta GT with the 1.4 150 brake horsepower turbocharged petrol engine and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Just 47,000 miles. Finance is of course available, and there is a calculator on our website, so you can have a play around with some figures, deposits and terms and that sort of thing. And the car will come supplied with an MOT until the end of June 2024. We will be replacing a couple of tyres that were advised on the current MOT that runs until next year. We'll also be replacing the timing belt as well. It's due for a replacement. We've got no record of it, so that'll be done included within the price in our workshop, which is attached. You do also get 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. For any more information, registration number, insurance groups, specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www. That was about 500 W's. www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Lovely car. We do like the Jettas. If you follow our page, we've got a bit of a soft spot for them. Just slightly quirky, but very, very good cars. They always seem to get snapped up pretty quickly, and I'm sure this one will be no different. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you on the next one.